Sex is a normal and healthy part of life. It's a way to connect with your partner, share intimacy, and express love. However, it's also important to be aware of the various experiences that can come with it. Sometimes, though, you might experience bleeding during or after sex. This can be a distressing experience, but it's more common than you might think. While this can be alarming, it's important to remember that it's often treatable. Many people go through this, and there are solutions available. Many things can cause bleeding during sex, and most are easily addressed. These can range from minor issues like friction or dryness to more significant concerns that might need medical attention. This essay will discuss some common causes and when to see a doctor. Remember, knowledge is power. Being informed can help you take the right steps towards your health and well-being. Understanding your body and what's normal for you is essential. Pay attention to any changes and don't hesitate to seek advice if something feels off. If you're concerned about bleeding during sex, please talk to your doctor. They are there to help you and can provide the necessary guidance and support. They can help you figure out what's going on and get you the right treatment. Don't let fear or embarrassment stop you from seeking the care you need. Your health is important. Vaginal bleeding during or after sex can be due to several reasons. It's important to understand these causes to address the issue effectively and seek appropriate treatment. One common cause is hormonal imbalances. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating the menstrual cycle and maintaining vaginal health. When these hormones are out of balance, it can lead to unexpected bleeding. These imbalances can happen due to various factors such as stress, certain medications, or underlying medical conditions. Stress in particular can have a significant impact on hormone levels, disrupting the normal functioning of the body. Another common cause is vaginal dryness, often related to hormonal changes, particularly during menopause. As estrogen levels decline, the vaginal tissues can become thinner and less lubricated, making them more prone to bleeding. Infections, like sexually transmitted infections or yeast infections, can also cause bleeding. These infections can lead to inflammation and irritation of the vaginal tissues, resulting in bleeding during or after intercourse. Finally, physical trauma, such as a tear or cut in the vaginal tissue, can lead to bleeding. This can be caused by rough sex, the use of certain objects, or insufficient lubrication. This can occur during rough sex or if sufficient lubrication is lacking. Using lubricants and ensuring gentle practices can help prevent such injuries and reduce the risk of bleeding. While less frequent than vaginal bleeding, penile bleeding during or after sex can also happen. One possible reason is friction, especially during vigorous or prolonged sex. If the skin isn't adequately lubricated, it can lead to irritation and minor tears. Injuries to the penis, such as cuts or abrasions, can also cause bleeding. These injuries might occur during sexual activity or due to other factors. Finally, infections, including sexually transmitted infections, can lead to inflammation and bleeding from the penis. Section 4. Anal bleeding, causes and concerns. Anal bleeding during or after sex can be alarming, but several factors can contribute to it. Understanding these causes can help in addressing the issue effectively and seeking appropriate medical care. Hemorrhoids, which are swollen blood vessels in and around the anus, are a common cause. They can be internal or external and often result from straining during bowel movements or increased pressure during pregnancy. Anal fissures, or small tears in the lining of the anus, can also cause bleeding, often accompanied by pain. These fissures can be particularly painful during bowel movements and may cause a sharp stinging sensation. These tears can occur due to constipation, straining during bowel movements, or rough anal sex. Ensuring proper lubrication and gentle techniques can help prevent such injuries. Like other areas, infections, including STIs, can also cause inflammation and bleeding in the anal region. Conditions such as herpes, gonorrhea, and chlamydia can lead to sores and ulcers, which may bleed. Regular screenings and prompt treatment of infections are crucial in maintaining anal health. Section 5. When to seek help, don't ignore the signs. While occasional light bleeding might not be a serious concern, it's crucial to seek medical attention if you experience persistent or heavy bleeding during or after sex. Suppose the bleeding is accompanied by other symptoms like pain, discharge, foul odor, or fever. In that case, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional promptly. Early diagnosis and treatment of any underlying conditions are essential to prevent complications and ensure your sexual health. Section 6. Your body, your health, take charge. Bleeding during sex can be alarming, but understanding the potential causes can help you address the issue proactively. Remember, open communication with your partner about any discomfort or bleeding is crucial. Don't hesitate to seek medical advice if you have concerns about your sexual health. Taking care of your body and seeking timely medical attention can ensure a healthy and enjoyable sex life.